Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add grain in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to Folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can go to Layers window. If you don't have Layers window, we can go to Window and show Layers here. Now I go back to Layers window and then go to Bottom. We can find the bottom. We can add Adjustment layer. Now we can find grain. This is new feature in Photoshop 2026. If you don't find this, you can install Photoshop 2026. So I click to add the grain layer. Now we can go to Properties window. We can adjust the amount, increase it to add grain. And also we can adjust the size. We can adjust the roughness. So after doing this, we can close the Properties window. Now we can have the layer of the grain. We can see before and after. So this is how we can add grain effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.